Kate Ferdinand has shared a video of her baby son Cree displaying some great football skills, much like his famous dad. Cree's dad, Rio, is popularly known as one of the greatest centre-backs of his generation, and it looks like his youngest son might be following in his footsteps. 4. Kate Ferdinand showed off son Cree's amazing football skills. Credit, Instagram. Dressed in a signed kit of Paris Saint-Germain player Kylian Mbappé, Cree confidently ran through their lounge room as he kicked a small football pass along the floor. Yay, Kate and his two older brothers cheered him on. She captioned the Instagram video, teaching them young, alongside a football emoji. Kate also showed off the signed kits, including one from Lionel Messi, that Rio brought back for all three of his sons as they sat watching football on the telly. Happy boys in our house tonight. When dad goes away for work and comes back with these. Project Mbappé, she captioned that photo with a white love heart emoji. The ex-England defender made 455 appearances for Manchester United, where he won 6 titles. He began his career at West Ham. He was a record signing for both Leeds and then Manchester United as he cemented himself as an England regular and one of the golden generation. Cree is Kate's first baby with husband Rio, as well as being a stepmom to his 3 children: Lawrence, 15, Tate, 13, and Tia, 10, with his late wife Rebecca Ellison. Kate and Rio began dating in late 2016 after meeting in Dubai when she split from her Towie ex, Dan Edgar. They married in 2019 and welcomed Cree into the world in December 2020. 4. It looks like the 14-month-old is following in his dad Rio Ferdinand's footsteps. Credit, News Group Newspapers Limited. 4. Rio brought back signed kits for all 3 of his sons. Credit, Instagram. 4. Kate and Rio got married in 2019 and she is stepmom to his 3 kids from his first marriage. Credit, refer to caption. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.